So, welcome students. In this problem, we will be calculating all three types. That is trainer's measure, sharp measures, and Jensen measure. So, looking at the data, we have three type of funds. That is A, B, and C. Okay. So, if you look at return, that is 12, 10, 13 for ABC, and market is 11. Standard deviation is 18, 15, 20, 17, and the beta is 1.1, 0.9, 1.2, and 1. So here's the risk-free rate of return is 6%. So let's calculate it for Sharp, Trainer, and Jensen. So putting solution. So first we will calculate it for the Sharp index or whichever we can go through. So first we will go for the Sharp index. So Sharp measures, the formula is, so return on portfolio minus risk-free rate of return divided by standard deviation of the portfolio. And fund A, for A security A, that is we know the return is 12% and standard deviation is 18 and RF is 6. So 12 portfolio return minus risk-free, so that is 6 divided by standard deviation, so that is 18. So here we get 0.333. Now calculating for B. So return is 10 minus 6 and divided by 15 as standard deviation. So we get 0.267. And for fund C, that return is 13 minus 6 divided by 20 is the standard deviation. So we get 0.294. So this is using the sharp mode. Now let's calculate it by using the trainer's measure. So trainer measure. So the formula we know, that is return on portfolio minus risk-free rate divided by beta. So for fund A is equal to same thing, 12 minus 6 but divided by beta. So beta is 1.1. So we get 5.45. Now for security B, that is 10 minus 6 divided by 0.9. Okay. So here it will be 4.44. And for C, so here it is 13 minus 6 and divided by 1.2. So we get value is 5.8. So this is using the trainer's measures. Now let's calculate it for the Jensen measure. So here for Jensen Major using available data. So we use the formula return on portfolio minus bracket risk-free, that is RF, plus beta of the portfolio, and in bracket return of market minus risk-free rate of return. Okay. So for fund A is equal to return is 12 given the problem minus the bracket RF risk-free is 6. Okay. So plus beta is 1.1 and RM market return is 11 and risk-free is 6. So we get 12 minus 6 plus 1.1 into 5. So with this, so after calculating, we get the value, that is 12 minus, so 1.1 6 plus 5.5. So that is 12 minus, that is wait, 12 minus 11.5. So answer is 0.5. Okay. And if we do it for security D, so fund B is equal to, the return is 10 minus 6, that is RF, plus 0.9 is the beta, into bracket, that is RM minus RF, that is 6, sorry, not 6, that is 11 minus 6 bracket. So after simplification, so we get the value is minus 0.5. And for C, if you put fund C, that is 13 minus 6 plus 1.2 is the beta, and this remains same, that is 11 minus 6. Okay, so we get value that is 1.0. And for market, that is by definition it will be 0 because it's 0 only. So this is we calculated measures. Now one thing that we have left is in ABC. So market return we did not use. So for market index, okay. So for market index, if you see using the sharp measure, that is 11 minus 6 divided by 20. So we get 0.294. And for using the trainer, okay, for market, that is 11 minus 6 divided by beta, that is 1.0, so is equal to 5. So this is using the data and calculating it for the sharp measure, trainer measure, and Jensen measures for the 3 mutual funds and also for the market index.